I fart when I'm nervous, okay? It's freaking cold.
Kelly, did you fart? Luke, did you fart?
Yeah, I didn't fart, but I'll try.
Kelly!
Whoa.
That's
Bro, why do I like smell it, I swear?
J1G? Sorry. Did you hear that fart? Oh god, I fart when I'm nervous. Here we go.
Hey, guess what?
Kelly.
I just farted. I had to fart. Ready? And
Oh my
Hey,
god.
guess what?
Not the replay.
Kelly.
Just cause we in France, it don't change.
Oh my god.
subscribe right now and I'll fart on Ashley.